So this is the second part of the video. We are finished here, and now I'm going to turn it over to Sendlane, where I will teach you how to actually implement these steps. Okay, the first step is that you're going to create a list. So let's call it weight loss. Okay, Alfredo. Let's say, let's just say at weightloss.com, default subject, hey. And then this is just a reminder of how they got on their list. If you have already done that, you can fill that automatically. You have to type your address and such. Your phone is just for informational purposes, but they don't show it to your subscribers, as you can tell. And oh, the country, of course. So there it is. That's our list that we just created. Now after we have created a list, we go to landing pages. We click build a single page, and okay, so this looks good for our niche. So let's say weight loss. Okay, we submit, and here you can customize this page. This software is really amazing. It's really simple. I mean, you can change the background image if you have an image that you like. As you can see here, you can change background image. You can upload the image. You browse it and you upload it, and that's done. And you can change the background. You can add a title. Just drag and drop. You can add a paragraph. You can add images. You can add videos. You can add forms. And you can place them. Whatever you want. You can add buttons. So I mean, let's just. I don't want to make a lecture out of this, but you can customize everything. Here, for example, you can change everything. Also, the style. If you want to bold it, italize it, change the color, whatever. You can do everything. So let's say how to lose 10 pounds how to lose 10 pounds in 30 days. Okay, and then here is the sub headline. Let's say lose weight without stepping into a sweaty gym. Then you can, if you don't want to collect their first name, you can just delete this. You can do anything you want. Okay, and here you can just change what it says. You can say enter your primary email. Okay. So there it is. So you get the idea. Okay, you can customize this too. This will never be shared with anyone ever. But shared. You can break it up or put it together, whatever. You can pretty much do anything. You can you can change weightloss.com. You can change the year. You can do pretty much everything. So you save. So once you're satisfied with your opt-in page, you save. Now we're gonna come back to this in a minute because we're gonna have to go to settings, okay? But we just save it. We don't publish yet. We just save it, and then we're gonna build a thank you page, okay? It's the same in landing pages. We're gonna build a thank you page, okay? So there it is. Thank you, weight loss thank you page. And then here you can again, you can customize everything. You can change the background color. You can do whatever. Okay, thanks, you're signing up. The content we promise is on its way. Okay, you can say whether it's a video, audio, whatever, and then you can explain here a little bit of what's the thing, the offer, the product or service that you want them to check out, because it will bring them faster results or more effective results. So, and then here again you can change the background color, to whatever. Again, you can change the typography. You can make it bold, italize it. You can change the size of the text. It's really, you can do anything. And then again here you can add paragraphs or images, videos, or whatever. Okay, very, very, very good software. Okay, again here you want to make it, in the copyright section, you want to make it just exactly the same as it was on your opt-in. So you save here. Before you publish it, let's go to settings. Here in settings you have the SEO settings. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it helps you to be located or to be indexed in the search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, or whatever. So you can fill these blanks if you want with the keywords like weight loss, diet, exercise, or whatever you wanna whatever keywords your page and your niche is identified with. Then is the redirect URL. So here you're gonna type the offer that you're gonna send them to. Okay, so in this case, just for the example that we're making, I'm going to type yahoo.com finance. Okay, and then the tracking code. These are the same options that you're gonna see in your opt-in page in settings, but the tracking code is a piece of code that allows you to track where the visitors came from. So for example, Google has a pixel, and there's a little code that you can place here, and it will help, that piece of code will help track Facebook, all the Facebook people that saw your offer and clicked there, okay, and they landed to your page. That's what the purpose of the tracking code is. And there are other services like solo ads that I'm going to talk about them in a future video, how you can use that traffic source also to increase your audience and to get more subscribers. And then the exit pop-up. The exit pop-up, you know what it is. You try to exit and it pops up. I normally don't use them, but feel free to use them. So here, I hope it didn't save because I didn't click on save. So yahoo.com finance. So let's say okay, save, okay, and then we save again and we publish. And this is the address of our thank you page. We're gonna copy it, okay, and then you can test it in the view page if you want. So this is how it's gonna look like, okay, without this little things that is just an extension of Google that I have, but just imagine how it would look like. Okay, it's just an example. So let's go back. We're gonna go now to our landing page, our opt-in page, and we're gonna go to settings. In settings, we're going to go to opt-in form integration, and here we're gonna choose the list that we made, which is weight loss, and you can choose whether they want a confirmation email or not. I normally don't use it, but feel free to use it. And then here, the thank you page URL is the one that was given to us when we published our thank you page. And you just click OK, you save, okay, and you save again, and you publish. Okay, so let's try it now. We're gonna try the whole funnel. So let's say view page. Now let's enter an email address. Let's say at, I don't know, yahoo.com, and let's get instant access. Okay, we're redirected to our thank you page, and then we click download, and we are supposed to be redirected to Yahoo Finance. All right, so it works. Okay, in the redirect address or redirect URL from your thank you page, you want to place the URL for your offer. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, please comment below. I will eventually send you an email about that, or make a blog post about that, but please just make a comment below this video, or make a post on the Facebook page, and just tell me to do it. Okay, so now we have one more subscriber. Why? Because there it is. Okay, weight loss, we have one new subscriber. Okay, that's the email that I typed in there. So there it is. This is where it was, where this email signed up, when this email signed up. So this is, so it's working. We know it's working. You want to copy also your landing page URL, okay? Because you will eventually want to drive traffic to it so that people can subscribe. So once you have this set up, you want to go to the autoresponder, okay? The autoresponder, you can create an autoresponder here, and let's say it's going to be called welcome, and you can say welcome. You can click next. You can choose your list. Okay, this is weight loss. Click next. Then this is the event that will trigger the autoresponder. You will say when subscription to the list. Then it's gonna be within the hour. It's gonna be sent in. It's not within the hour, it's actually immediately. Maybe it takes just a couple of seconds, but it will be like right away. So you click next, and then you can choose whether you want a template or a pre-designed email or from scratch. Okay, and then you click next. Let's do that from scratch, and then let's say welcome, and then you say, you know, whatever you're gonna talk to them about. Okay, then you save and continue. This is just a text version of the email. You can click next. You can always email a test to see whether it's getting the inbox or not, and then you can start your autoresponder. Okay, and you just say start, and it's going to, from future subscribers, it's going to start working. Now, if you want an autoresponder series of 2, 3, 4, 10, 15, whatever emails, then you have to create another one, just as we did. Okay, and again you type the campaign. You type like the number, the series, the title that is going to identify the series of emails of your autoresponder, and then you type the email subject, and again all these steps. Okay, you have to choose your list here, then you have to select the event that will trigger the autoresponder, and this, if you already send the first within the hour, then the next one you might want to send it the next day, 2 days, whatever. Okay, and then here you will type your email. You will just see the plain text version of the email that you wrote here, and then you confirm. Okay, it's very, very simple. It's really intuitive. This software, it's amazing. So that's it, guys. That's how you can start. Well, just one more thing. When you want to broadcast email, so that's action number 5, you're gonna come here to campaigns. Okay, and in campaign, it's basically the same. This exactly the same as an autoresponder. You create a campaign here, and then you're gonna name your campaign. Whether your campaign has a series of emails or it's just one single email, you're gonna name your campaign so you can identify the series of emails or the single email that you sent about something that you wanted to teach about or to talk about, or an experience you want to share or whatever. And then again, the email subject, your recipients, which is your list, the email, the plain text version, and then you confirm. Here you will choose when to send the email, whether it's now, it's like on demand, or you want to program it for a future date and time. You can choose the time too. So that's it, guys. I hope you got a lot of value from this. If you got any aha moments during this video, please share the video, like it, and leave a comment. If you have any questions, also you get my emails. You can reply to them, or just ask the question on below the video, or ask it on the Facebook page. I would really appreciate that if you got value from this, that you share it and that you subscribe to the YouTube channel. More videos are coming up, and I'm really excited that you guys are here with me. I hope you get this one tool that is really powerful. You can do the 5 actions with this single tool. It's really amazing, and you can have your business up and running in minutes, just as we did right now. So, to your freedom. See you around.